Okay, here's it is to pick the random names for the Starbucks and iTunes gift cards available for filling out the teacher survey. So let's see who the two lucky people are going to be. There's our first winner, Miss Love. All right, so we're going to go ahead and take her name out, and we're going to do it one more time. Here's our next winner. Let's see who the lucky winner is. And there we go, Mr. Howargy. So those are our two winners. The first one to report to the library will get their choice between the iTunes or the Starbucks gift card, and the other teacher will get the other one. So come by the library and pick those up, and congratulations.